to keep it mellow. I smoke and keep it mellow. I drink and keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow. I smoke and keep it mellow. I drink and keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow.
What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy Hiroshi, yes, aka the Jump Rope Coach. Don't watch these stupid tan lines, guys. It has been super hot in the UK recently, and yeah. Anyway, you guys always know, if you've been watching this channel, I always talk about how key footwork is. I always say footwork is king, and if you guys are going to execute those advanced tricks, those kind of smooth action transitions, you need to make sure your footwork is on point, guys. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you 3 cool drills, like drills that are going to help you with your balance, your timing, and your coordination. So we're going to get straight into it. I don't want to take too long. If you're new to the channel, please smash that subscribe button. Go grab your money rope. This is the best and only speed rope you need in your bag, guys. I want to show you a quick drill that's going to help you, first of all, with your balance. Now, this is a very underrated move, and not a lot of people are using it anymore. And I'm going to highlight it. And what you're going to do is I want you to just literally skip on the spot with one leg. This is going to help condition your legs, condition your body. But this is drill number 1, right? So as you're skipping as a beginner, I want you to focus in on just practicing this. Skipping on one leg, and you want to try and just stay in the same spot, in the same position. So right now, just making sure my timing's good. I'm not bouncing too high, I'm not flexing my knees. It's just on the balls of my feet and making sure I stay in the same spot. So if you've got yourself a rush mat, you can just try and focus in on staying in a certain place. And that is drill number 1. The reason why that drill works, guys, staying on that one leg, is going to help you with your balance. It's going to help you with body conditioning. And when it comes to doing kind of crossovers and double unders and little transitions, behind the backs, 360s, you want to make sure that you're able to balance on one leg when you need to keep it looking slick. The second drill is all about your timing. This is a cool drill. It's kind of like you want to try and make sure you flick one leg out as you skip. So as you can see, this is the combo here in terms of the footwork. This is really good timing drill. It's good for coordination and balance. Similar to the one-legged jump. If you just come back out, G. You can even mix it up by keeping lower to the floor. And then that is why this is a great timing drill. Because as you can see, I'm gonna put a little slow motion on it. The way you have to skip to make the rope go under is you've only got a small window of opportunity to get the rope underneath your legs. There you go. Cool drill that, to make sure your timing's on point. Also looks cool and a really nice way to stay relaxed and get kind of the blood flowing as well as a good warm-up. Getting tired as always. Third and final drill, guys. This one is all about coordination, like balance as well as always, but it's about how you're gonna shift your body weight from one side to the other. The move looks like this. It's kind of like a boxer's stance, and that's how you're gonna skip. So here we go. Nice and easy. My left foot's forward. You can see more weight on the left foot, rocking back and forth, and you wanna shift. The reason why this works is because to shift your weight from left to right, back leg, forward leg, takes a lot of coordination, again, a lot of balance, a lot of timing. If you swing back out. So as you can see, for any boxers out there wanting to learn this drill, as a fighter, you're always rocking back and forth, whether you're southpaw, orthodox. But the reason why anyone looking to get into skipping, why this works, is simply because, like I said, when you want to move from your transitions, move from your one legs, you're always on one leg. And most of the time when you're skipping, you're not really going to be doing this after a while. This is beginner steps. You're always going to be on one step. That's why these moves are super key. Guys, remember, it takes a lot of time, a lot of patience, a lot of practice. It doesn't come overnight. Just remember to spend as much time as you can at the beginning of your workouts or your routines or your practice on footwork. A lot of people neglect it, and it's the reason why they can do loads of cool tricks, but they can't make it look effortless. And remember, this channel is all about making the hard things look easy, and making the easy things look hard. Whew, my heart is literally pumping. Listen guys, short, quick fire tutorial. Leave me a comment down below, let me know what you want to see going forward. This was a highly requested tutorial. A lot of people talk about footwork, and I've got a lot more drills, a lot more footwork tutorials to come. We did this in one take, smashed it. Listen, without further ado guys, take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe. Peace.